Hey Doodles! So I'm feeling the need to be a little bit creative today. Instead of just swatching my way through life, I'm going to use some of these Col-Erase pencils. Obviously there's a lot of variety here. So we'll find a colour that works. Anyway, I'm feeling like raindrops are probably a pretty good place to start today, so we'll see how we go. So the cooler thing about these pencils is they erase. I think actually I'll do a little raindrop fish. No, I want it to be a bit stubbier than that. Stubby and cute. Maybe go back a bit further here like that. Maybe this back there and flow through there. Take some of that out, see if we get in some balance. Ooh, looks like something's happening. So that's pretty cute. Give him a little mouth. Sharpen that line up a bit. And then I think he needs a fin. So I'll start with a little fin stub. Hopefully you can see this because I'm doing it with blue, it might not quite show up. Alright, so there's the base of the fin there, and we want, can't remember from when I kept fish what these are called, but I think it's a pectoral fin. Could be completely wrong. Quite well out of practice. Is that how deep I want it to be, or like that? Something like that. A little bit cuter, a little bit more balance with this top fin. I want to mirror image this on this side, but do I want a little fish as well? Okay, so now we got the basis of our two little fishies. Probably want to add some fin details, so we'll go with rose. Okay, dude with bigger eyes looks cuter, but hey, this is just, I guess, character design, so... super duper cute. Crazy little fish. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this little speed through drawing with Col-Erase pencils. I will be doing a 3-part, almost in real time series on this artwork and how I developed it, so keep your eye out for that. Until next time, keep on doodling.